Hello, I'm Aparna Gupta and welcome back to the Daily News Bulletin of Jagran English. Let's begin with the first big story of the day. Chief Justice of India Ranjan Gogoi today said that he may personally visit Jammu and Kashmir to see whether litigants there have difficulties in approaching the courts. Describing this as one of the most important issues, Justice Gogoi also sought a report from the Chief Justice of the Jammu and Kashmir High Court on the aspect of access to justice. In this petition, alleged illegal detention of children in the state following the abrogation of Article 370 and violations of their rights were cited. However, the petition itself talked about a juvenile committee in the Jammu and Kashmir High Court, to which the CJI had questioned why the petitioners did not go to the High Court. The top court also directed the government to make every endeavour to restore normalcy in Jammu and Kashmir as soon as possible while keeping the national interests in mind. The top court bench, which also included Justices Bobde and Nazir, said that as the shutdown was in the Kashmir Valley, it could be dealt by the Jammu and Kashmir High Court. The government told the court that there had been no loss of life during the restrictions, which have been in place to avoid any backlash over the centre's decision in August to end special status to Jammu and Kashmir and split it into two union territories. Moving on to the next big story of the day. Senior Jammu and Kashmir leader Farooq Abdullah has been detained under the stringent Public Safety Act. This came on a day the Supreme Court sought a response from the centre and the Jammu and Kashmir administration on a petition seeking his release. Farooq Abdullah has been under detention since last month when the centre scrapped the special status of Jammu and Kashmir and decided to divide it into two union territories. The top court issued notice to the centre and the state and fixed Rajya Sabha MP and MDMK leader Vaiko's plea for hearing on September 30. Vaiko, who said is a close friend of Abdullah for the past 4 decades, has contended that constitutional rights conferred on the National Conference leader had been deprived on account of illegal detention without any authority of law. The Supreme Court also allowed former Jammu and Kashmir Chief Minister Ghulam Nabi Azad to visit 4 districts of the valley: Srinagar, Baramulla, Anantnag and Jammu. The Supreme Court passed the order on an undertaking by him that he does not indulge in political activities in the state. In another big story, Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Monday described as a special gesture the decision of US President Donald Trump to join him for the Howdy Modi event in Houston on September 22. The White House confirmed Trump's presence at the event, for which over 50,000 Indian Americans have registered. Taking to Twitter, PM Modi called the move an indicator of the special friendship between India and USA and said that he was looking forward to welcoming him at the event. Reflecting on the new bonhomie in the India-US ties under the Trump administration, this is for the first time in recent history that the leaders of the two largest democracies would be addressing a joint rally anywhere in the world. More than 50,000 Indian Americans from across the US have registered for the September 22 mega Howdy Modi Share Dreams Bright Futures event to be held at the sprawling NRG Stadium in Houston. With this, I conclude the Daily News Bulletin for today. We will be back tomorrow with more big stories of the day. You can log on to english.jagran.com to catch all developments of the day. You can also follow us on Twitter, Facebook and YouTube. Thank you and goodbye.